Prasad, physics teacher. Good morning, my dear students. Today I will explain chapter electric current. Today discuss about topics combination of resistance. First one, resistance in series and series combination problems. Now start the class. Combination of resistance. Combination of resistance, there are two types. First one, resistance in series. Second one, resistance in parallel. I am explain resistance in series. Figure shows the series combination of three resistors having resistance R1 and R2 and R3. A battery is connected across this combination. In this combination, the same current I is flowing through each resistor. Let V1 and V2 and V3 be the potential difference across R1 and R2 and R3 respectively. Okay, this combination total potential difference. Okay, total potential difference V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Okay, V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. So the diagram, okay, V1, V2, V3 is there total potential difference. V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Okay, this is equation 1. By Ohm's law, V is equal to I into R. Okay, this note point, V1 is equal to I into R1, V2 is equal to I into R2, V3 is equal to I into R3. From equation 1, V is equal to V1 what? IR1 plus V2 what? IR2. V3 what? IR3. Okay. V is equal to IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. Next one, V is equal to I common into R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay, V is equal to I into R1 plus R2 plus R3. This is equation 2. If Rs be the equivalent resistance of series combination, then the potential difference phi across the combination after will be V is equal to I into Rs. V is equal to I into Rs. this equation 3. Now comparing equation 2 and 3. Comparing equation 2 and 3. Comparing equation 2 and 3, equation 2, V is equal to I into R1 plus R2 plus R3. Equation 3, V is equal to I into Rs. This is equation 3. You get I into Rs is equal to I into R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay, after that I cancel. Now Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay, Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. This is resistance in series, combination of resistance in series. Okay, this derivation completed. Now start the problems. First problem, 3 resistors of values 2 ohm and 4 ohm and 6 ohm are connected in series. The equivalent resistance of combination of resistors is. Solve the problem. First one, given data. Okay, R1 is equal to 2 ohms. Next one, R2 is equal to 4 ohms. Next one, R3 is equal to 6 ohms. Okay, in series combination, what is the formula? Series combination, Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay, this formula Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Next one, Rs is equal to R1 what? Given value 2. Okay, R2 value 4. R3 value 6. Next one, Rs is equal to 2 plus 4 plus 6. How much value total? 12 ohms. Okay, the series combination Rs is equal to 12 ohms. Combination of, okay, the equivalent resistance of combination of resistors Rs is equal to 12 ohms. Now second problem, 3 resistors 3 ohm and 5 ohm and 2 ohm are connected in series. Find the resultant resistance in the circuit. This is problem. Solve the problem. First one, given data. R1 is equal to 3 ohms. R2 is equal to 5 ohms. R3 is equal to 2 ohms. Okay, given data, R1 is equal to 3 ohms. R2 is equal to 5 ohms. R3 is equal to 2 ohms. After this combination of series, what is the formula? Okay, this formula Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay, this is formula. Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay, Rs is equal to R1 value how much? 3. R2 value 5. Okay, R3 value 2. Rs is equal to 3 plus 5 plus 2. Total value how much? 10. 10 ohms. Okay, the series combination RS is equal to 10 ohms. Okay, this is second problem. Thank you students. After seeing this video, write the notes, series combination and problems. Thank you students.